I'm Anil Kumar. I'm a Dean of Contemporary Art Practice in Shrishti Manipal Institution. And you're looking at the exhibits over here. This is the first batch of graduating students from Shrishti Manipal Institute. And we have many courses, but the main aim of our overall institutional ideology is that we encourage a lot of interdisciplinary practices, and we have art, design and technology put together. And one special feature about teaching over here is that the students are encouraged to choose their own units of practice, though they come from different streams like contemporary art practice or animation or film or public education. They're all encouraged to choose a portfolio, several subjects together, and all the 4 years they try to put a portfolio together, trying to practice here and also get a taste of what really happens outside. Projects like they go on study trips, and they also get internships to work in the real life actual institutions outside, like in the museums, in the galleries, etc. And their practice is basically to see that they not only develop skill sets, but they also connect it to some ideology that happens, is present in the contemporary art situation, in the contemporary animation situation, in the contemporary technological ideologies everywhere. And they are well connected with the universities and institutions throughout the country and elsewhere. Well, the placement opportunities here are plenty because they are, I told you that it's an interdisciplinarity that they get trained up from the day one. So the job opportunities, in the sense they are encouraged to ideate and get connected by fourth year. By fourth year, they already are familiar with the institutions outside. For example, they might get into museums as curators, they might get into journalism, they might get into media, they might get into teaching. They could be independent practitioners on their own, like creative artists and animators. And these are some of the roughly existing opportunities. And there is UV and UX and other opportunities. But however, they are encouraged to go beyond the idea of placement in order to see that they stay as a part of this Shrishti community. We have an alumni groups, and so they are well connected throughout the country, and we have faculty who teach who are well trained from institutions from throughout. Like in NID, from NID we have faculty. We have faculty from SPA, we have faculty from Shantiniketan, Vishwabharati University, from Baroda University, and so throughout they are in touch with the contemporary happenings in all these visual and verbal media of expression.
I'm Mana George, and my thesis looks at how inclusive practices could be introduced in general primary schools. How general educators can go about facilitating inclusive classrooms. So this is an activity kit, and these are activity cards that are subject coded that teachers can use and conduct activities. These are learner profile cards. This is the packaging for it, and this is a guidebook for general educators.
Hello, I'm Sukriti, and under my mentor Asa Chauhan, we're collaborating with NIMHANS, and we're working and helping them to elaborate on their outreach programs. So this project is specifically focusing on creating a film festival around mental health that focuses on the representation of mental health and neurodivergence in Indian cinema throughout the years.
Thank you. I am Priyankar. I have taken the Lost Cookbook project for SMI 8th semester. Primarily the project talks about the lost recipes, the community cooking, gender politics, and things which go around kitchen, and also there are stories behind food. Students went all around their fraternity, their family, interviewed grandparents, great-grandparents, got their stories about food and how they intervened food when they were kids, how food was interplayed during partition, how food is so important at this point of time in daily life in terms of health, hygiene, and so on and so forth. The whole of the exhibition is divided into 4 clusters. There is community on food, there is memory and food, there is travel and food, and there is family and food. So each of these clusters primarily talk about family and food in general. So there is heirloom, how people react to food in their family. Then there is food and memory. So memory is primarily about memory of maybe grandparents or their parents and their food and their childhood. Travelogue is primarily what they went and traveled and explored food, and then they came up with a travelogue either in a form of a book or a documentary filmmaking. And then there's community cooking.